National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Hocking River at Enterprise from late tonight to Monday afternoon. At 3 p.m. the stage was 6.9 feet. Flood stage is 12 feet. Moderate flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage by after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 16.9 feet by early Sunday afternoon. The river will fall below flood stage by Monday morning. At stages near 17 feet, many roads downstream of Logan become flooded. Flooding will also affect Route 33 near Enterprise and State Route 93 near Logan and Boris Road in Enterprise. Now for the official National Weather Service.